Okay, welcome to another Mad Hatter Reviews. I'm using my fancy dual camera to to record this Grand Theft Auto. I don't even think it's a trailer. I think they show like 10 minutes of of the um, of the game. So I'm gonna do that. I'm logged into my wife's Netflix account right here. Okay, you can see all the weirdo stuff she watches. Like, well, actually, I saw Five Nights at Freddy's. Also, well, that's a sequel. I fell asleep. I don't even know what happens at the end. I Love, Death, and Robots is cool. Tires is funny. There's some good stuff here. Black Adam was, not that great. But we're gonna take a look at this Grand Theft Auto because I have a feeling that once this game drops, it's gonna be the end of my toy channel. I can't see me having any free time after Grand Theft Auto 6 drops. Okay, I literally bought a PlayStation just for this game. I'm not even kidding. Like it was just for this game. So it's. I have a feeling it's going to be wild. I have not seen this before. I'm excited. Let's take a look. Grand Theft Auto again. It's like 10 minutes, so strap in if you want to watch this, and if you need to see my beautiful reaction to this. I'm assuming amazing piece of footage. So let's do that right now. Oh, what? Hey, what the hell? Why did they do that?
I guess they know we're coming.
All right, that's the block right here. Be cool. Don't,
What?
nothing.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what's up? Y'all trying to smoke?
No. Y'all know Booby?
Booby, huh?
Booby. Dude, this game. This looks like somebody filmed this.
Think about that.
Yeah, go inside and ask for Raymond, bruh.
Appreciate it.
Bruh. that camera just moves back. You know it's time to go. All right. This is my life. Did somebody write the Mad Hatter life story into a game? This is crazy. It's a nice place.
Man, I don't even want to hear that shit.
Hey,
Like, I don't even want to hear that shit.
hold up, bro. Yo. Y'all need something? Raymond?
Nah. What you want?
The graphics are so
Pick up.
fucking good.
All right. Yo, we going up. Right inside.
This will definitely not lead to any violence. I'm like crying.
Said you was here for a pickup or a drop off.
Pick up.
Straight up, first door on the right.
Yep.
Oh shit.
Man.
How you doing, big guy? Buddy.
Put up that time, I was like, yeah, I knew it go time right there. Like everything, green light.
Oh,
This has gotta be the door, right?
Looks like it.
What you want?
Yo, is Raymond around?
Nah, never heard of him.
Yo, we're here to pick up for Booby.
Alright, hold up.
Yeah, she knows. There you go. Yeah, say it right.
Yo, Ray, these two say they for Booby. Already told that motherfucker
Oh,
what the
shit.
fuck going on, man. He seriously sent y'all over here right now.
We're just here to collect, man.
Why he ain't come collect? You ain't asked yourself that.
No.
Look, we could go back empty-handed.
My partner's off the grid right now, you feel me? Until I figure out where the fuck he at and what the fuck going on, we in a holding pen right here.
So Booby knows all this, right?
Yeah, he fucking knows.
Hey, where's Booby?
Problem is he only worried about himself. Yo, phone. Let me tell
I
you
imagine
what's
that's how they make like third-party toys. They got just a bunch of women in underwear.
Yo, Ray. Vanessa, put on speakerphone. Yo, Nesta.
Oh, some shit's about to go down right now. Well, here you
Óyeme, mi hermano, we got a situation here.
go.
My friends on the task force are on their way. They say they're paying you a visit, so just let them take whatever they want, okay?
What the fuck you talking about? You know I got a nigga outside your mama house, right?
Raymond, listen very closely, cabrón. Raymond.
Fuck is that?
Oh.
Yo, Ray, it's 12. They tools up and everything.
Raymond.
Let's get these hooks out of here, man.
Come on,
Let's
estás ahí,
go.
coño.
Shit. Oh, way this way. Come on, come on. Hey, move.
I've always been there for you. This what I get?
Please, don't fucking move.
Oh, shit.
It is what it is, my friend.
Holy shit. Straight up.
Yeah, I know.
There's the camera.
Come on, we need to find a way out. Got Booby's bricks.
Fuck Booby. You gotta get out of this.
This guy's he's still loyal to Booby, you know, even though the fuzz is in the place. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, they went right through the wall.
Whoa, cover.
On it.
It's just a hole in the wall. Hey, where's that dog? That dog, I hope, did not get hurt, because, oh, look at that. Look at the slow-mo.
Fuck him.
Can't you fucking handle a bunch of street pushers? Hey, man, this ain't even loaded. Oh, too bad.
Oh!
Clean this shit up.
Dude, this game is raw, okay?
Fucking Mendes.
Yo. You think he saw us?
No, he couldn't have. Oh, coño.
But they got more cops coming in from downstairs. Get in here before they get your ass. Thanks, man.
Hey, what the fuck going on? What the fuck y'all doing in here?
You ain't hear all that outside? Just hold on a minute.
Hold on. You got motherfuckers running up in my house? You are not allowed to just come in here.
Dude, the voice acting in this game is great. It always is with these games. Oh my god, that's the beginning. That is great. All right, so now it's like a trailer. Look at that. 6, baby. Rocky 6. Oh, man.
Hey,
Hey, Jay. I bought these. What do you think?
I can't buy my own clothes, you know.
Sure you can. But would they look that good?
Yeah, okay. You know, Brian wants us there for cocktails.
Uh-huh.
You know what you're gonna wear yet?
Relax, Jay.
I know, Jay. Fucking chill.
Okay. What do you think?
Sequins?
Sequins?
Okay. The other one. You know what you're wearing right now looks...
See, that's a
pretty good,
wife
so-
thing. They don't want you to pick.
I don't want to be late.
Yeah, all right. Just give me a few seconds.
Is this gameplay? Are you like, yeah, he's moving. Dude, this game, fucking Rockstar. All right, what's in the fridge? Let's go ahead, open. Let's bulk up.
Does life feel hopeless? Are you constantly searching for a way out? Luckily for you, those days are over thanks to Angstapan.
Ah, the great outdoors. Nature's playground. A carnival of infinite possibilities. Overflowing with creatures great and small. Magnificent and proud. Hungry? Not anymore. Mouth-watering meat from the open range. Topped off with
See,
our world
that's why this game is great. It's these little details. Like, who makes a commercial? You know what I mean? Like a commercial in the game. All right, let's ride.
Here we go. Finally.
Yeah, this is GTA. It's always humble
You're welcome,
beginnings. So you
little
start
pal.
out
What's up?
in this shitty apartment that,
Just don't want to be alone.
and then you just build up to a mansion. Here you go. I just gave you the sum up of every GTA game.
I get it.
You know, doing some deep fucking shit.
I get that too. Who is this guy? You know, besides Brian's old cellmate.
All right, and it's supposed to be like Miami. I think you're in Vice City, right?
Just kind of wish we weren't running late.
Really?
What? I didn't know all this. Relationships are about communication, Jay.
What makes a man? There's another. I'm gonna get a copyright strike for sure. But you know what? I don't even give a shit. Okay? This guy's falling off a bridge. Ugh, this is totally Miami. Don't get offended. I grew up here. This is. I grew up in not rich Miami. Look at that.
You seeing this? Well, look who's back.
Yeah, there's always that lady, by the way. Oh shit! Look at that. To make me understand.
What?
Sometimes I'm just more comfortable when I have to use a gun, you know?
Just be charming, okay?
Yeah.
And don't worry about Brian.
First female that you play also in GTA.
Snapmatic. Looks like they're loving it. There they are, at the bar.
This is like a half trailer, but then it goes into gameplay. That's funny.
Oh my God, as I live and breathe, look at the two of you.
Hey, Lori. It's good to see you, Brian.
Uh-huh.
Oh, come here, give us a hug. I told Brian I thought you two were both dead for sure. Now, what have you gotten yourselves into? I want to know everything.
You probably will have to kill those two.
I don't know what this is.
Look, I was just sightseeing with my girl. The tourists carry these.
Ooh, shit.
This is so fucked. Well, Brian was quite the stud back in the day.
Whoa. Wait,
What's up?
a job, it has to be done tonight.
Tonight?
Always has to be
He
done
wants it
tonight.
on the quiet. huh?
Every job.
He only wants one of them.
Well,
And you know,
I don't mind.
I mean,
If you wanted to.
I'm gonna go.
They probably do the thing where they give them each like some kind of skill.
I'll be back for
That's what
this.
they did in the other
I'll walk
one.
you out. I need the ladies.
Yeah, let's take in the view.
Yeah, let me talk man to man. Let's,
Smoking in front of Rory.
if you like my cigarette.
Ever tell you about
A cigar, sorry.
fairground rolled in my hometown when I was a kid?
I don't think so.
They had bale mazes and Ferris wheels. Hell, it was the highlight of the goddamn summer.
Right, we ready to do this? Stick 'em up.
And they had this beautiful carousel. One night we snuck in, and a buddy of mine, he got it working.
Look what the law chased in.
Leonidas, baby.
Then he cranked the speed up so fast that we thought we was flying. They started going faster and faster, and it's getting harder to hold on. And I said, well, shit, that ain't good. And I fucking jumped. Jimmy Canto stayed on,
Jimmy Canto.
cracked his head open, died that night.
Yeah. I remember Jimmy Canto.
Yeah. You gotta know when to get off, Jason.
Yeah, you see. That's what we call, that's like an analogy, guys. Okay?
Hey, got this road guy's car. I'm heading to the address he gave.
Nice. On my way.
Yo, so I've been thinking, and I don't think we should tell him about, our troubles. Not just yet.
Thought that was the whole point of it.
Look, he could sell us out. Or put a bullet through our heads. I mean, seriously, what reason do we have to trust this guy?
All right. So how do you want to play it?
Slow
How do you want to play this?
Just say, hi, nice to meet you, here's your card. Where's our payment? Please let us know about any further criminal opportunities.
Okay. See you
Look at all those shitty Miami high-rises. The worst.
You miss me?
I've been busy. You gonna text this guy? The dude could be a cop for all we know.
He's not a cop, all right? He's just cautious. It's probably why he survived so long. We can learn something.
Maybe you could.
Yeah. You're the perfect criminal.
Jason, Lucia,
Yeah.
Yeah.
we gotta go.
Go?
Yeah, go, like right fucking now.
Oh,
What you think I ain't gonna live for?
there you go.
Yeah, he's cautious, right?
Now you gotta go. All right?
Look, diablo. Enséñame qué hacer chofer, tú eres.
Hey, bro, get your ass back here, man. Come on, you gotta hold these fuckers off.
Classic GTA.
You take this.
Just another day. Another day in Miami. Dude. This is gonna be fun, man. It's gonna be a fun fucking game.
Don't get us trapped in here, Lou.
No. This is good. Keep coming through.
We got that 4-star. You see that? You got one more star. You get helicopters, and there you go. That's it. Just pop right in there. That's all. That's how you escape cops. Just go into a garage. They don't know.
Chill here for a minute. Fucking shit show. You want me to take the wheel?
What? No.
Look, you think everything always goes as planned, huh? No, mommy, no.
Yeah.
There will always be some kind of bullshit. A
That's
professional
right.
adapt.
That's right.
Are you a professional?
It's
Lucille?
perfect
Huh?
advice.
Of course.
Good. I need a professional. Oh, you.
I see him.
I think it's ours too. Let's go.
He almost pulled a Hereditary on that guy. Just careened him right through the wall. Oh, they got that's a 5-star right there. That's what that means. When that helicopter comes out. There you go in the parking garage.
Don't leave anything in.
Douse the car. Yeah. It's a couple of hot criminals.
Copy.
Ah, man.
Maybe some warning next time?
What should I take you? Put in your calendar? Friday morning.
Dude, it's so easy to lose the cops. I do it in real life constantly. It's amazing.
You did fine. You're still alive. This could be the start of something good. Keep your phones on.
Look at that shitty Florida license plate.
Mamita.
I recognize that anywhere.
Oh, hey. Take me to the loop, baby. I need to see it.
Does this mean we're in his crew?
Yeah.
You're in the crew now.
You think you can help us?
We don't have any better ideas, do we? Where are we?
Back in Bayside.
Want to take a look around?
Bayside. Oh, this is like really Miami. I thought this is like, dude, that's because there is a Bayside in Miami. It's like a little like outdoor mall area in downtown. Oh my God, look at that water. Look, oh my God, dude, this game. Whoa, what the fuck is that guy doing? There's kayaking. Oh, shit, seedy bar at night. You feel like the humidity. So humid. Fucking Florida. Yeah, race too. Yeah, there's probably guys like, hey, I need a racer. My guy got drunk last night. Who can race? Of course she can race. I sound like I'm making fun of this. I am wildly excited to play this game. Fucking shitty jewelry shop. Let's get out of here. Wow, this thing just goes, man. Holy shit.
What the fuck is this?
Oh, the truck jellies. Wait, you stole my friend's car?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. It's topical. You got YouTubers in there.
Jesus.
See? I know. They know what they're doing. That is certainly not Florida. one way out. You gotta jump.
I bet you be real good at battle rapping, dog.
Oh, yeah?
Lucia, Jason, come take a seat. I'm waiting on the ETA for the flight.
Can I
Hey
get you
now.
anything? Tea, coffee, champagne?
3 more champagnes, thank you.
Be right back.
Trust me, a slight buzz will only help you.
So, Val, I know it's a party, but we are working, right?
The job is Andres de Leon. Protect him, but keep him in line.
Ugh.
Gas him up. Boost the secret.
Escort
He'll
missions,
feel
man,
great
it's
about
the
himself.
worst. Gotta protect the guy. It's just like fucking catch up, stupid.
Sore eyes. Tina, what's up, chula?
Andres! It's been forever. How is everything?
Oh, man, it's been nonstop.
Lucia, Jason, please meet Andres de Leon.
Sorry, guys, I'm a hugger. Come in here, get in here. Yes, all right. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. All right, strong. Good job.
Should we go, gentlemen?
guess you the driver?
Sure.
All right, let's go.
Come on.
All right,
Fuck it. You ready for this party, bro?
I don't know, maybe.
Oh shit, how long is this?
I'm ready for our party.
Oh my god, there's like 6 more minutes left. What the fuck?
Okay. Hey, driver, what was your name again?
I'm watching it all. I don't give a shit. All right, I predict no trouble will happen in this nightclub. Okay, it's gonna be, you're gonna have some drinks, some food, they'll dance, and they just leave.
You guys got our room sorted.
Yes, it's all ready for you. 24th floor executive conference room.
Perfect. Let's go freshen up, bro.
Let's do it.
Hey, honey, so a couple of Alonso's producers friends are in town, and we're gonna do a deep dive
Oh,
into my
producer
creative
friends.
roadmap. So we up in the conference room doing a little business hand, you know, think tank stuff. Okay?
Seriously? Right now?
Yeah, baby, you snooze, you lose.
Petra, can I introduce you to Andres' new security detail, Jason and Lucia? This is Petra Navarro, COO of Megamundo.
Oh, there you go.
Yes, please, let's go.
Megamundo is big.
Let him do what he does. Then I want him down here, okay?
You got it.
Buenas noches, señoras.
Gustavo, I want you to meet Lucia. She's part of the new security detail that we hired from this.
Oh, man. Just Phil Collins in an elevator. Why not? You know, that's what we do. That's what we do in Miami.
Some security guy just took my guns.
Good thing you're good with your hands. You guys seem to have it covered. Should be fun.
Okay.
Took my guns.
Don't come in.
Hey, Andres.
Whoa, hey, it's okay, it's my guy, Hey, buddy, just, Tristan in the new building.
Oh boy. Who are these guys?
Sorry to interrupt.
Hey, man, can you run and get us a bottle of tequila, some sparkling water, a few beers, you know, just a selection of shit to drink, yeah? Thanks, buddy. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah, so they just called and asked me to bring you down to the party now. Petra wants you. There's some big speech happening.
No, fuck that shit.
Yeah, sorry, no, hard pass, man. We're on a roll here, you know? Front
No,
the cortex is in overdrive. I mean, how many
It's not
ideas
gonna
have you
work.
had in the last 5 minutes, bro?
So many, bro. So fucking many.
It's like the band's back together. I just met these fucking guys.
Come on, guys.
Hello, everyone. I just want to thank you all for coming here tonight to join us in celebrating the opening of Megamundo's first corporate headquarters on American soil. But we all did this together.
Yeah, that's right.
As a family.
Yeah.
Everybody on the ground! Check the
There you go. Just headshots galore. Guys everywhere.
Hey! Give me the phone.
Who am I gonna call? I'm not stupid.
Hi, guys. How's it going down there?
Who the fuck is this?
The fuck is this?
Later, okay?
Que carajo.
Dude, that's my dream. I want Rockstar to hire me to be like some dude in one of these games.
Nice distraction, Jay. A bit dramatic.
You're welcome. I'm going upstairs. He's got Oswald.
Shit. Okay, I'm on my way.
Oh shit. I like pretty girls. Yeah, he does that shit, yeah. Before she kills him, of course. Shoot the glass. Oh, headshot.
Hurts, right? Try wearing a bitch.
Oh. Did they fall down the shaft, elevator shaft there?
Might not feel like it, but these are your glory days. The salad years, you know? Nothing is gonna beat who you are now. You can't see all the fucked up shit that's looming on the horizon. Enjoy this, dude. If this right now was all that there is, all the time, it would be perfect.
Who the fuck is that guy?
Trust me.
All right. That was a lot. I didn't think it was gonna be that much. Captured on PS5. All right, I'm fucking in. I literally bought a PS5 for this. Okay. I also want to get it for that $100, or like they bumped it up for $100. So that's it. Grand Theft Auto, Mad Hatter Grand Theft Auto reviews. Okay, I will be playing this game. Will this toy channel survive after this game comes out? Nobody knows. But I'm very excited. See you later. Bye-bye.